My name is Tomrock D'Souza and I'm a student of National College of Ireland. I'll be presenting my project on data mining and machine learning subject. My project is applying 5 models on 3 data sets, one regression data set, 2 more classification data sets. Uh, my first model is predicting the price value of Airbnb listings in Madrid. So after all the pre-processing is done, we'll jump to the correlation plot. The price is our main dependent variable. There is hardly any variable which is very dependent on the price except the room type of private room, which is a categorical variable after the pre-processing. After the pre-processing, we split the data into training set and test set. That is 80-20. Then we see that the accuracy score with linear regression is 38, the MAE is 0.58, and RMSE is 77, 0.77. With random forest regressor, the accuracy is 64%, MAE of 42, and RMSE of 58. With decision tree regressor, it's 27% accuracy, meaning the R2 square, MAE of 58 and RMSE of 83. Further, for KNN neighbors, we have scaled the variables because for SVR and KNN, we need to scale the variables. Hence, the accuracy we got is 44 and 54% respectively, and RMSE of 73 and 66%. So if we go to rank the machine learning models, random forest works the best. Apartment prediction for listings in Germany, which is a renting website. For in this, I could have taken the price, but the model was very bad for a regression model. That's why I've gone for a classification model. And first, I've dropped some columns, changed the dependent variable from apartment and others as not apartment, which is almost splitting the data by 50%. Hence, I have taken apartment and not apartment, which is my dependent variable. I have applied the pre-processings, which is mentioned in my report. Or columns with any types more than 25% are dropped off, and categorical variables are given as missing. Categorical variables whether any values are missing, it is given as missing, and Boolean variables are given as 1 or 0. Further, the date, year, month have been changed to digits, and the date is dropped. Then we want to encode the categorical variables and we pre-process our inputs. We scale all the variables. Then we apply logistic regression with a accuracy score of 63%. This is my confusion matrix. And the F1 score is 62%, 0.62. And my for k nearest neighbors with neighbors 10, accuracy 62% with F1 score 62%, and for decision tree regress classifier, we can see that the accuracy is 70% and F1 score is 69. For random forest classifier, we can see that the accuracy is 76% while the F1 score is 76. For nearby, it is 59% accuracy and 56% F1 score. Further, we'll see the area under the curve plot, which is the ROC plot. We can see random forest classifier single-handedly beats all the other classifiers in the list, followed by Gaussian F-Bayes, decision tree classifier, k nearest neighbors, and then logistic regression. Logistic regression performed the poorest in this machine learning model. Thank you. My third data set is the US Small Business Administration data set, which tells whether a loan should be assigned to a customer or not. For this, the pre-processing I have picked up from Kaggle. The here my dependent variable is MIS status. If the MIS status is PIF, means it's 1, otherwise it's 0. Let's go to the part where where we split the data into 80-20 data sets. Then we scale them. We apply the logistic regression. This is the accuracy and F1 scores as given as the previous data set. You can see the accuracy and F1 score again, 89 for k nearest neighbors and 89 for F1 score. Decision tree classifier again, 87% and 86%, 86 F1 score. For random forest classifiers, it's 89 and 89 F1 score. And for Gaussian naive Bayes, it's 78% accuracy and F1 score of 79. If you see the area under the curve, we can clearly see that random forest beats other classifiers easily. But this time, k nearest neighbors has taken the second place, while the decision tree classifier has taken the third place. The logistic regression has taken the fourth place, while the Gaussian nav Bayes has taken the lowest place. Thank you for viewing my project and have a nice day.